Hello friends, today we learn how we can design factorial program in Python. So let's start. To design the program, we have to use Python ideally. You can use ideally 3.7 or 2.7. I am using 3.7. Now you have to save file in new file and you have to define the function. Define factorial with parameter n. This is called function definition. Here I am defining variable x equal to 1 which act as identity value for product. Now I am taking I equal to 1 to perform a loop from 1 to n, since factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 up to n times, and I am multiplying x with I, then increasing value of I by 1. At the completion of loop, we have to return value of x. Now we have to take input from user. In Python 3.7, we have to write like this: enter a number. If you are using Python 2.7, you can also write like this: I have designed a video in which I have covered the difference between two. For now, I am commenting this line. Now we have to call factorial function. Calling function. Finally, you have to display result. Factorial is equal to m. Now the program is ready. Save the program. With some name. Say factorial. Now run it. It's asking for the value, save 5. So the result is 120. Again try with some different values like 7. So it says 5040. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Thanks friends.